Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up? Today I'm bringing you guys this soft pink Glam Valentine's Day makeup look. You guys wanted to see a soft pink eyeshadow look. Some of you guys really enjoyed the makeup look that I was wearing in my Valentine's Day fragrance mist video, and then a lot of you guys, when I asked what kind of makeup look y'all wanted me to do for Valentine's Day, a lot of you guys said pink eyeshadow and like a pink lip or something like that. So I decided to just go ahead and recreate that look that I had on in that video. I changed some things a little bit to make it more soft and sultry for Valentine's Day, but I basically recreated that same look, and then I gave you guys a little bit more of a toned down lip look. But you already know that you can substitute this look out for something that's more matte, something more bright, more fuchsia pink, like what I had on in that video. But I wanted to kind of tone it down today and just give you guys a little bit something different. So I hope y'all enjoy seeing this tutorial. Let's get into it.
Retro on the beat, and you know I'm still your hoe.
This is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my soft pink Glam Valentine's Day makeup look. Even though it's going up a little bit late, I hope you guys can still get some inspiration from this look. And I really like it. I really like the way that this turned out. I'm so glad that you guys requested this look. So you already know, if you liked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed it. If you're new, sis, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the Fragrance and Beauty Army, as well as that bell notification so that you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.